Top 10 Ways to Earn Money Online. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities. Whether you want a side hustle or build a full-fledged business, there are plenty of ways to earn online. But where do you begin? Here are the top 10 options to help you tap into this digital treasure. Got skills in writing, graphic design, or coding? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients willing to pay for your expertise. Set your rates, build your profile, and grow. Are you great at something? Teach it online. Create courses or offer one-on-one coaching via platforms like Teachable or Zoom. People are always looking to learn valuable skills. Love making videos, podcasts, or blogs? Platforms like YouTube, Anchor, and WordPress help you monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even subscriptions. Help businesses sell their products and earn commissions. Share referral links on your blog, email list, or social media. As your audience clicks, you profit. Create and sell ebooks, stock photos, or templates. Websites like Gumroad or Etsy allow you to scale income passively once your product is live. Start an e-commerce store with Shopify or Etsy. Whether it's handmade crafts or dropshipping products, selling online is accessible and scalable. Help businesses succeed with your expertise in marketing, finance, or operations. Set up services via platforms like Clarity.fm. Assist busy entrepreneurs with scheduling, admin tasks, or email management. Services like VA placement agencies make getting started easy. Have coding skills. Build useful apps or software. Monetize through app stores or by licensing your creations to businesses. Earn quick cash by sharing opinions on platforms like Swagbucks or joining gigs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Entrepreneurship starts with action. Choose one method from this list and dive in. Test the waters, grow your skills, and watch the rewards roll in. Subscribe for more tips and let us know which method is your favorite to kickstart your online career.